Hello, guys. This is Dr. Wendy, and today we're going to learn how to get your KYC done so you can buy your Evodeaf tokens. Okay, so this is our back office, and basically, once you log in with your username and password, you're gonna go to this pink button here on the left that says Connectivity ad Area. Okay, so you just click on that. It means connect to area. And if you already have your account in area, you just need to put your email and password. But usually the first time you're going to have to go to where it says you don't have an account sign in. So you just click on it and then you put your information here. And after you put all your information and you click on continue, it's going to send you an email with a code that basically you have to copy paste, and it's going to have your key downloaded also. Remember, your key is really important because that is your seed phrase. That's the information that when if something happens and you lose your phone or whatever device you are accessing this account, if you lose that information, the only way to get your funds back is if you have your seed phrase. So make sure you download it and save it correctly. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna come and log in again. And once you log in again, it's gonna look like this. So we're actually going into the exchange right now, okay? So basically, you're going to see these little square on the upper right corner of the screen where it says get started now. So you just click on it, and once you are here, click on your this white button right here that says proceed, and you just have to fill up the information. So for the country of residence, you choose whatever country you are. Remember, for the UK is Reino Unito, okay, which means United Kingdom. So Reino Unito for United Kingdom. Then if you are registering as a natural person and not as a business, then choose natural person, then put your name, your last name, your nationality. Again, it's, I don't know if it's going to depend of course, your country or of origin or your citizenship. But if it's from the same country, then choose again Reino Unido, and then your residential address. That's going to be, wherever you are living at the current moment. Then your city of residence, your residential region, your zip code. The fiscal code is going to be the number of the document that you're going to be presenting. Okay, so if you're going to upload your passport, then you put the same picture in this space right here, and then you put the same picture of your passport on this second one as well. But if you are sending your national ID, then it's gotta be front and back. So you put on the first one the front of your ID, and then on the second one you put the back of your ID, and then just click on send, and that's it. It's a really easy procedure. And so once you send everything, you are going to go back to the main page, and you are going to see it as such, where it says account pending approval, instead of the one that said that you are still 50% on your account. So it's going to change, as I said, to account pending approval. And then once you are approved, you are going to see here a square that says go voucher, which we're going to see in our next tutorial. All right, guys, so it's a really easy process. But of course, if you have any questions, just contact your upline or just contact me and I'll help you in anything that you need. Okay, God bless you. Stay safe.